The importance of home backyard patio designs lies in their ability to enhance the functionality, aesthetics, and overall value of outdoor living spaces. A modern patio pergola design in 2024 is characterized by sleek, minimalist aesthetics, functional features, and integration with outdoor living spaces. Unlike traditional, enclosed structures, modern pergolas tend to have open, airy designs, with slatted roofs or adjustable louvered panels that allow for customizable sunlight and shade control. A well-designed patio provides additional space for relaxation, dining, entertainment, and socializing, extending the home's usable area into the outdoors. It becomes an extension of the indoor living area, offering a seamless transition between the two. Thoughtfully designed patios improve the overall look of the backyard and can complement the architectural style of the home. A visually appealing patio with landscaping, furniture, and lighting can create a welcoming atmosphere. High-quality patio designs can increase the value of a home by adding desirable features that attract potential buyers. A well-executed outdoor space is often viewed as a significant asset, improving the home's resale potential. Backyard patios offer an opportunity to enjoy nature and outdoor activities, whether for family meals, relaxation, or gatherings. They provide a comfortable setting for social interactions, fostering a sense of well-being and improving mental health by spending time outside. Patios can be customized to suit various needs, whether it's for cooking with an outdoor kitchen, recreation with seating and play areas, or relaxation with fire pits and lounge spaces. This versatility makes patios adaptable to different lifestyles and family needs. A backyard patio allows homeowners to connect with nature, enjoy fresh air, and observe their surroundings. Thoughtful landscaping and garden features can enhance the natural beauty of the space, creating a peaceful and enjoyable outdoor retreat. A well-designed patio is perfect for entertaining guests, whether it's hosting barbecues, family gatherings, or evening parties. It becomes an ideal setting for outdoor dining, cooking, and socializing, promoting a healthy lifestyle and strengthening relationships.